Hi! Welcome to Mew Mew's ice cream truck. I can make all kinds of yummy icy treats. Oh, the customer seems to be here. Welcome. Smoothie with tapioca pearls. Choose a cup green apple flavor. Turn the handle to grind the ice into smoothie. Lemonade can make the smoothie tastier. Which kind of tapioca pearls do you like? Put cooked pearls in ice water to make them even more chewy. Finally, let's decorate. The smoothie with tapioca pearls is ready. That's great. Let's serve it to our customer. This ice dessert is gorgeous. You can get truck decorations by making ice treats. The props are all here. Drag the props to make the truck more beautiful. Welcome! Phew, I am soaked with sweat. Let me have some ice food to beat the heat. Smoothie with tapioca pearls. Choose a cup of tasty peach flavor. Turn the handle to grind the ice into smoothie. Lemonade can make the smoothie tastier. tapioca pearls do you like? Put cooked pearls in ice water to make them even more chewy. Finally, let's decorate. The smoothie with tapioca pearls is ready. That's great. Let's serve it to our customer. This is the best frozen dessert I've ever had. It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Wow, we've unlocked a new prop. Welcome. Hi, Mew Mew. I'd like to have a large portion of this. Rainbow popsicle. These ingredients are milk, sugar, flour, egg beater, There are so many flavors. Which cherry flavor? Strawberry flavor. Strawberry flavor. Kiwi fruit flavor. Chocolate flavor. Chocolate flavor. Rainbow candy flavor. Rainbow candy flavor. Let's pour the mixture into the mold. Blueberry. Banana. Pineapple. Strawberry. Cherry. let's decorate. Wow! The delicious rainbow popsicle is ready! The guests will love it! The ice treats you have made are so delicious! Do not eat too much icy treats at a time, or you might get a stomach ache. Wow! We've unlocked a new prop! Welcome! What should I order? Colorful fruity mix! First, pour the milk. Yogurt starter. Slide to set correct number on the timer. Not this number. Please try again. The yogurt is ready. Let's scoop it out. There are so kiwi fruit flavor, blueberry flavor, strawberry flavor. Let's pour a layer of yogurt. And then sprinkle some fruits on it. Strawberry. Banana. Kiwi fruit. Pineapple. Blueberry. Strawberry. Pineapple. Cherry. Banana. Blueberry. Pineapple. Cherry. We can also add some sweet condensed milk on the fruity mix. Pour the condensed milk into a pastry bag. Let's squeeze out the condensed milk. Finally, let's decorate. The colorful fruity mix is ready. It looks yummy. This is so yummy! It might result in stomach ache when eating too much ice treats. Wow! We've unlocked a new prop! Welcome! Hello, I'd like to try this one. Ice cream in chocolate bowl. First, choose the type of chocolate you like. Chocolate turns into the sticky chocolate syrup when it's heated. The round balloon is perfect for serving as a mold of the chocolate bowl. Next, let's prepare some tasty nuts. Nuts can make the chocolate tastier. The chocolate bowl is ready for holding ice cream scoops. Next, let's roast some more marshmallows and put them on top of the ice cream. Wow, the roasted marshmallows smell good. Finally, let's add some delicious toppings. Wow, the ice cream and chocolate bowl is ready. Our customer must be very satisfied.